Meaning of hooch.
hooch,
Hooch.
hooch,
Hooch. Hooch is a term used to refer to an alcoholic beverage that is brewed or distilled illegally. It is often associated with substances that are of low quality and potency due to the lack of proper regulation and quality control measures during production. The term can also be used to describe poorly made alcoholic drinks sold in bars or stores, although it does not necessarily mean they are produced illegally. The use of hooch can be dangerous as it may contain harmful substances that can lead to health problems or even death when consumed in large quantities.